do. Alright, this is Keith. I don't know if I'm in the picture here or not, but I'm going to try to use the correct camera to show this. A 2003 Nissan Xterra. I'm attempting to get the intake plenum off in order to access the valve cover gasket on the driver's side. It's a 3.3, and I'm going to show you really quickly here at the very back of the engine, up underneath the plenum. The reason it doesn't want to come off after you think you got everything disconnected is because of these two coolant hoses. There's one right here that's going straight up and down. There's another one here that's going horizontal, pointing them out with this screwdriver. And then there's also a small vacuum line going down to, it connects to the fuel pressure regulator. You need to disconnect it. There's a tube that goes into it. If you'll get those three off, then there's these two electrical plugs underneath there you can't see until you get these coolant hoses off, and then you can lift the plenum up enough to see these two plugs. Okay, and if you're looking on the bottom side of the plenum, I've got it inverted here where you can actually see. There's where one of the plugs goes, and here's where the other plug goes. And these are where the two coolant hoses hook up, right here and right here. This other big one, you can get to it pretty easy. It's up on the top. It's just another hose going over toward the passenger side. It's not a problem. But when you get everything else unhooked and this thing doesn't want to come up at the back, it's because of these two coolant hoses right here and these two plugs right here are what's still holding it. So I hope that that's been helpful. It's a 2003 Nissan Xterra with a 3.3, and we're going to put the valve cover gaskets on it. Thanks for viewing.